High quality patient care is a veterinarian's top priority, but running a successful practice isn't just about pet care. You're also running a business, which is why you need to think about your finances too. Here are 3 ways VetRadar can help you reach your revenue goals. Number 1, automatic charge capture. When working in a fast-paced environment, charges can often be forgotten, and over time, this can have a major impact on your bottom line. VetRadar captures all billable products, procedures, and treatments, and automatically sends it through to the EasyVet invoice. Number 2, VetRadar is cloud-based. VetRadar is 100% cloud-based, which means you'll never have to worry about expensive server maintenance ever again. Instead, you'll receive improvement upgrades every 2 weeks at no additional cost. This means you'll get to tap into industry-leading technology without all the overheads. Number 3, smart treatment sheets and task management. VetRadar gives you the tools you need to work more efficiently so you can increase patient capacity without increasing your workload. The trick is to minimize your manual processes. VetRadar comes with a bunch of automation and templating features that streamline just about every aspect of your practice. VetRadar increases the profitability of your business so you can focus on taking care of your patients. Book your free demo now at vetradar.com.